Tired of posting the same story twice on Instagram and Facebook? Let me show you how to set it up so your Instagram story automatically shares to Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. In today's video, I'll show you the simple steps to automatically share your Instagram stories to your Facebook stories. Begin by tapping on the Instagram app on your device to start. Tap on your story from the top left corner of your screen to begin sharing a story. Once you're in the story creation page, tap the settings gear icon in the top right corner. Now tap on the story from the list of options. Scroll all the way down and find the option to share your story to Facebook. Slide the button to turn it on. Finally, tap on the done button to save your changes. Now, whenever you share a story on Instagram, it will be posted to Facebook. And that's how you can automatically share your Instagram story to your Facebook story. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss upcoming videos.